While there is no doubt that having the flashlight right on the lock screen comes in handy in dark or dimly lit environments, in certain situations, it can turn out to be a huge frustration, especially when your iPhone goes into the hands of a kid. That's the reason why many of you may want to remove the flashlight from the iPhone lock screen. If you're one of them, let me show you how to easily get rid of the flashlight quick action button from the iPhone lock screen in iOS 18 or later. To get going, you have to unlock your iPhone using Face ID. And once you have unlocked your device, you have to long press on the lock screen to reveal the lock screen wallpaper gallery. Now tap on the Customize button at the bottom. Then select Lock Screen. After that, tap on the tiny minus button at the top of the flashlight icon. If you don't want to replace any quick action button with another useful button, tap on the Done button at the top right corner of the screen to confirm. Otherwise, tap on the plus button and then you have to select the preferred feature that you want to add and select it. And finally, you have to tap on the Done button at the top right corner of the screen to confirm the action, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily remove the flashlight from your iPhone lock screen in iOS 18 or later. Later, if you ever happen to change your mind and want to bring back the flashlight action button to your iPhone lock screen, all you have to do is go back to the same setting and then choose flashlight from the control section, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.